Hi, I'm Joe Frick, with Idaho Divorce Law Firm, and today we're going to be talking about why they have certain information in the divorce petition. If you're filing for divorce in Idaho, you might be wondering why the court and the petitions require that you put seemingly obvious information in the petition, such as where you got married, when you got married, and the location of your marriage. Let's break down the legal reasons for these requirements. First up, jurisdiction. Think of it like this. Before the court can actually grant you a divorce and end your marriage, they have to know that they have the power to do so. By stating where and when you got married, you're giving the court enough information to know that it can proceed with your case. Second, proving the relationship. Now, being required to say that you are still legally married sounds a little funny. After all, why would you be filing for a divorce anyway? But legally, this confirms several different points. It confirms that there's no prior divorce granted, their marriage hasn't been annulled, neither party has remarried, and that there is actual marriage to dissolve and get rid of. Without this confirmation, the court can't move forward. Third, meeting legal requirements. Idaho law has specific requirements that must be met. The marriage date isn't just a formality. It affects real outcomes in your case. Among other things, first, the length of the marriage can impact how the property is divided in your case. Second, the duration of your marriage affects whether spousal support is going to be granted and in what amount. Third, it helps the court determine what's actually marital property and what is separate property that is not going to become into the mix of what is going to get divided during the divorce. The reason that the date of the marriage is so important is because it establishes the date that the community estate was started. The community estate is essentially everything that's going to get divided during the divorce case, which essentially everything that you acquired after is presumed to be community property. Everything that you acquired before, including debts, is presumed to be separate property. I do have other videos about that distinction, so you want to go back and watch those. The date of the marriage also affects several other decisions that the court has to make during your divorce case. Now, this includes division of assets and spousal maintenance, or alimony. So while providing your marriage details might feel like stating the obvious, these requirements form the legal foundation for your entire divorce case. Without establishing these basic facts, the court simply cannot grant your divorce. Remember, each case is unique, so if you need help, reach out to an Idaho divorce attorney or an Idaho family law attorney to see if they can help you.